So what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the Mighty Institute of Trading, right? Uh, Today I'm just going to be giving an update on the live session. Remember guys, I give free signals free of charge. For always personally, I just get my money from the market, so I basically don't think I should be taking any money from you guys. I just do this free of charge. So you can join the Telegram channel in the link which is in the description box, and you'll be updated every time when we have these live trades. So without wasting much of our time, guys, let's dive straight into the chat. So guys, just an update on our live session trade that we took yesterday. Um, Yesterday on Thursday, the markets were not having a momentum. The momentum is too low, right? The momentum is too low, but our moves were taken. Just yesterday on the live session, our trade on the live session was on gold. We told people to enter on gold, and so far our trade is in more than 1 to 2 right now. Risk to reward. Just to make sure, let me just do this. Just to make sure, right now it's below 1 to 2, but the last I checked it was at 1 to 2.2, which is too fine, right? Which is too fine because we are aiming for a 1 to what? 1 to 5 risk to reward. So let me just adjust here and put it back on 1 to 3. Show you that this trade was a success, right? Because this was the original trade. This was what the original trade. So moving on, let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD, we're expecting it to come back to our part this price. It did not come back, so we did not execute that trade. On GBP JPY, right? We, we said we take buy limit orders from here. So right now it is in a 1 to 2 risk to reward. It is about to close. So we have already taken our partials, right? Because it has already uh, passed the 1 to 2 risk to reward. So we took our partials on 1 to 2 and left the other profits just what to flow to up to where they can take us, right? And then on USD JPY, remember me putting this line, you can see how this trend line was respected. If we put our graph in the 1 hour, you can see how this trend line was respected, right? Going in our 30 minutes and 50 minutes, I told you at this area, right? You, as long as you were present in my live session, I told you this. That this area is when I'm looking for a what? A sale. It just came to that straight area. If we extend this bar, it just came straight to that area. Was about to take us out with a stop loss. This is why I don't usually like what sell orders, because you don't know what will be happening on the market whilst you are not there, right? It might not confirm a candlestick pattern for you to earn, but for this session we took orders because during this session it was around this time. During this session the graphs did not have any momentum, so we're taking orders, right? We took our sell order 1 to 2 TP hit, which means we closed partials, right? We closed 50% of our position and let the other position what and let the other position, right, with a stop loss of maybe 1 to 1 or the previous low, right? Just using the trailing stop. Yeah. And on AUD it did not follow our orders, right? We were expecting it to come at this position and then we buy it. It did not reach that position, so we did not what? We did not enter the trade. So this is just the update, guys, on the trades that we have yesterday. Make sure you uh, attend this Thursday live session, guys. You can see how much value they have. Let me just show you an update, right? An update. You can see I share this trade with my community. Right now, I was just giving uh, them early in the morning where our gold was before it had hit 1 to 2 reached to 1. This is where it was. It was around 1 to 1, like early in the morning. And I was just giving an update on the trades that we took on the live session right here. You can see when it reaches 1 to 2, that's when we close partials, or we just leave them. Personally, for me, gold I did not even close partials. Right, I just left it like that. All right, we close partials on 1 to 2. Right, we do break even on 1 to 1, close partials on 1 to 2, then on 1 to 3 we close all positions or leave it to run until where it wants to take us. Right, the markets will just want to decide, but we do not extend stop loss. We extend take profit, but we do not extend what stop loss. So also a trade update on gold, right? Break even on gold, keep holding. So I'm going to give a second update right now that gold is more than 1 to 2 risk to reward right now, because this was a 1 to 3 trade. So uh, I'm just going to what give an update. So until next time, guys, peace out.